Big news for OnePlus fans. The company has officially confirmed the launch of its new compact flagship, the OnePlus 13S, in India. Despite some naming confusion, all signs point to the 13S being the rebranded version of the recently launched OnePlus 13T from China, as both devices appear to share nearly identical specifications. The OnePlus 13S is expected to flaunt a 6.32-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. There will be a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, offering 2 times optical zoom. Selfie lovers get a decent 16-megapixel front camera, good enough to catch your best angle. Performance-wise, the phone is set to impress with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, as power won't be a concern either, as the OnePlus 13S is expected to pack a sizable 6,260 mAh battery, paired with 80-watt fast charging, meaning less time plugged in and more time on the go. There's also a new physical button on board, clearly taking a cue from Apple's Action button, offering a customizable shortcut for added convenience. Rounding things out, the device is expected to weigh around 185 grams and come preloaded with Oxygen OS 15 based on Android 15. When it comes to memory and storage, OnePlus isn't holding back. Expect models offering up to 16 GB of RAM and a staggering 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. As for pricing, in China, the OnePlus 13T, which the 13S seems to be mirroring, starts at around $500 to $600 for the 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage model, translating roughly 40,000 rupees to 45,000 rupees in India. As for the launch, there's no confirmed date yet, but leaks point to a release sometime in late Q3 or early Q4 of 2025. However, the phone won't be launching in the US, Canada, or Europe, as OnePlus is focusing on key markets like India, where demand for compact, affordable flagships is stronger.